Here I have the Xega HD security camera, and this camera has a lot into it, so let's jump right into it. The first thing I want to talk about is its battery life and its 24-hour surveillance. And so most security cameras, they only record, or they only capture when motion is detected. But this camera has a built-in solar panel, as we see right over here, and it also has built-in batteries to keep it alive and keep it running, and to always be capturing the things that need to keep you safe. This camera's 24-hour surveillance is outstanding. It just goes on through. You don't have to worry about recording it at certain times, or worry about something triggering off the motion detection, where this camera just freely runs and you can always check in on it whenever you want to. This camera is also designed for places that don't have Wi-Fi or electrical power. As we see with the solar panel, that takes care of the electrical needs of this camera. The battery with it and the solar power that it runs on always has it running. And as for the Wi-Fi signal, it's connected to your phone through the U-Box app. And so it doesn't need any Wi-Fi, it doesn't need any Bluetooth connection. The camera is connected to the app, which then connects to your phone. So it's a very easy, stress-free connection. You don't have to worry about putting your camera in a place that's close to your Wi-Fi. You don't have to worry about having electrical outlets nearby. This camera stays alive, it stays running, but it also stays connected so that you can always check in on it. And just a few more features to list of this camera. It has night vision function, as well as just IP66 rated waterproof, and so even in the darkest thunderstorms, it can still capture feed and audio and whatever you need it to. And this camera, it's a very easy setup. I just put it together in a few minutes, and we're just going to look into the installation of this camera and even just see a live feed of the camera as well. So here we have the solar panel. It's two different panels that you just plug in together, and we'll look on the back here. I already screwed in just the plate that holds the two together. So it comes with these screws just here, very easy. I just need an Allen wrench to tighten them up, as well as the support arm. The support arm comes intact. You just have to screw in the screws just on the side to hold it to the solar panel, and that is so you can mount this on a wall in a place to where it gets the solar power from. And this arm actually does not connect to the camera, and so you need to mount it to a wall or a surface with screws just on the end here. And they provide all the screws and the drill covers that you need, or they provide all the screws that you need. They provide all the resources that you need to mount the security camera and the solar panel up. And when you're installing the security camera, it comes with this plate that you put the screws on the side with the pegs facing out, and so you can screw it into a wall or a surface and then connect the camera to the plate through the pegs. And so the camera at that point can be mounted to a wall, and you can place it however you want it in whatever spot. And with it not being directly connected to the solar panel, you don't need to have it in the exact same spot as the solar panel. You can move it off to the side, you can move it underneath of it, above it, wherever you need. It just needs to be long enough to connect to the cord that we see here. So a cord runs from the security camera to the back of the solar panel here. And so finally, we have the camera here, and I've connected it to the U-Box app. And when you get this camera, it comes with the instructions and with the booklet that have a QR code for you to download the app directly to your phone. And when you do, you just go through a couple steps of setting up the camera and connecting it to the app. And then when you do, you'll have your live feed, which the camera, as you see, it works well. And we see now that we have the camera here all set up. I just want to show you the live feed real quick. And so we'll just look at the live feed real quick and just some interface options. We have the control panel, which can tilt the camera left and right. as opposed, and also along with moving it up and down, you can even control the speed of it to move fast, slow, medium. It has different features. You have all your recording, microphone, and snapshot options, as well as some flashlights and full screen, and there's just different options on here for you to use the camera in different ways, whether it is taking pictures, recording, or even just moving the camera to go to the perfect angle that you want. And through there, you can control lighting, you control just different things with the camera. And so this camera has proven to be a very good product. It's proven to be sturdy and long lasting, and just a really good camera altogether. And so it is a camera